Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and as promised last month's video, I am here for an open invite early in the October for the Useful DIY Challenge October 2019. Yes, I invite you all for the October month Useful DIY Challenge, and this is an open invitation for anybody who loves to DIY, create a video and put it on YouTube. And this month's theme for Useful DIY Challenge October 2019 is going to be recycled wood. Yes, recycled wood. So you can recycle any kind of wood which has served its purpose once. Say it could be a piece of log, it could be a driftwood, it could be a piece of furniture, a picture frame, or anything, any kind of wood which has done something, and instead of tossing it away, putting it into landfill or burning it off or let it just eaten by termites, use it up. Use it up and create something useful for your home or for family. Somehow it should serve a purpose, go for a second life. So the theme is recycled wood. And as always in my challenge, Useful DIY Challenge, I have a co-host every month, a new co-host. And this month's co-host is Tammy Roberts from Tammy Roberts. Now, Tammy Roberts' channel link I'll put in my description box below. Do check out her channel, and let me tell you something more. She does a lot of haul videos and a lot of home decor videos. And her home is full of a lot of vintage items, a lot of rustic country charm. It's interesting. It's a lot of beautiful vintage stuff that she collects over time, and the way she decorates her home. You're going to enjoy that. So do check out Tammy's channel. Tammy approached me some months back, and we worked out our time schedule and we decided to do the October challenge together. So thanks Tammy Roberts for joining me this month in hosting the challenge. And now let's get to the rules of the challenge. Now rule number one. Rule number one, as always, is use the 3 words Useful DIY Challenge somehow in your title. For example, if you want to write upcycled stool Useful DIY Challenge, so somehow whatever you write in the title, include the 3 words Useful DIY Challenge in the title. Rule number 2. In your description box where you write about your video, use the hashtag Useful DIY Recycled Wood. I repeat, hashtag Useful DIY Recycled Wood. When you use this hashtag in your description box, it becomes easier for YouTube to pick your video and add it to the auto playlist. Or if the auto playlist doesn't work, it helps me pick the videos and add it to the playlist. Rule number 3. It's a DIY challenge. You have got to show us the process, obviously. So you have got to show us the piece of wood that you picked, what you did to it, and what is the final product. Rule number 4. You should be subscribed to both the channels, that is mine, MomDas Life Handmade, and Tammy Roberts. Rule number 5. Mention in your video both our names and the channels and the playlist, that is Mom from MomDas Life Handmade and Tammy Roberts from Tammy Roberts, and also mention that if there is a playlist, and give the link to the playlist and link to the channels in the description box below. Now the rule number 6 that everybody is waiting for, the date and time for the upload of videos for this challenge, and it is going to be 14th October 2019 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Yes, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. People who are regular to this challenge know about it. But if you have any problems, anybody new to it, just Google and ask what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it will give you the conversion in your local time. Just schedule your video to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time so that we all upload and populate the playlist at the same time and have a great party. Recycling is something that I strongly feel about and that we should do, because we take from nature and we are not able to give as much back, or we do not give the nature as much time to replenish that much back. Therefore the theme recycled wood, instead of just tossing it away, let's give it a new life. So all those creators, all my friends who join me every month, thank you so much for your support. All the new people who will be joining me this month, welcome you all with open arms, and let's all have a great time on 14th October 2019 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time with each of our projects. Inspire others, inspire ourselves, because we are beauty with brains, we'll come up with something constructive. See you all. Take care.